this girl. I got really cute to go to sleep.
What's up guys, we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. So first we're going to start off with putting some foundation on, and the kind of foundation we're using is Fenty Beauty, and we're going to put it on dots, and then we're going to use something that's a red marker like Master Camel, I think that's what this says, and then we're going to be putting it on, and then we're going to use the blender and blend like a blender ever blend. And then she's still blending. Oh, is this girl ever gonna stop? She's still blending. Okay, I can't say this forever. Still blending. Okay, she's finally done. So now we're going to be put. Okay, now we're going to be putting and getting a brush and then getting a makeup pad and then putting it. Oh, and the brand is called Morphe, and then we're going to be getting some brown and doing slanted lines. So, and then we're going to be making it more and more and slanted, and then we're going to be coloring it in dark and darker. And then, okay, next we're going to be putting a little curve and going to the eyelids, and then we're gonna get a little more, and then make a little curve out from the eyelid. Okay, so you're still gonna be darkening your eyelids at the thingy. Still darkening. And you're going to go with some dark brown, and then we're going to be putting a little bit of black on there to make it a little dark. And now we're going to be putting some concealer on your eyelid, just a little bit. And then we're going to be dabbing a little bit of a tiny brush and then doing it a little more for the eyelids. Well, not the eyelids, the ends of it, for the stylish part. And then once we do all that, gonna have to get a mirror to see it. Okay, I think she's almost done doing the same thing over and over again. So, now we're going to drizzle a little bit of some funny looking stuff on your face. And then we're going to keep doing it with by eyes and everywhere. On your chin, on your nose, on everywhere. One side of your nose. And then you're going to get the blender. Blend it. Okay, and then is she ever gonna stop blending? Come, okay, she's done. So, actually no, she's done. Okay, everybody, just keep blending until you stop. Until your arms get tired. Okay, she's done. Stop blending now. Okay, so now that you're done blending, you can put some of that funny looking stuff under that little dark spot, that slanted spot, or you can call it the stylish spot. Okay, and then you blend it, and afterwards you do the same thing to the other side. Okay, and then you're gonna open. It's banana deep, but it's in a black container, so yeah. Okay, now we're going to be getting another brush, and then we're going to be sliding it across and blending it in more than the blender did. Keep blending, and then gonna go across your eye, your little forehead, and then you're going to do your nose. And then you're going to get some powder. Okay, you're going to be using a contour brush to put some contour on your face. Okay, so then we're going to be keep doing it. Okay, and then go and pat it with your pinky finger. And then do it all across your nose. Make sure you don't get it in your eye. Do it on the other side. Do it underneath. Make sure you don't get in your nostrils. Still. Okay? And then keep doing it over and over again. And then and then you're gonna get some blush brush and get some pink blush and then blush it all around your face. Well, not your face, but put it on your cheeks and stuff. Go up and down, until your eyes start hurting. And then I guess you can put some on your nose. Get some of that blender and then you get some powder. And then you're gonna get it on your nose and stuff, and then blend it and stuff on your face and everything. And then you're going to get some of that blender brush. Okay, now you're just gonna use a little brush to put some brown in the corner of your eye. Make sure it doesn't get in your eye. Be careful. Okay, and then so keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. And then you keep on doing it. Keep on doing it. Okay, sorry. Okay, after you're done, you get some little powder, and then you put it on your nose, go a little bit up, and the powder is called Anastasia Beverly Hills. Ooh, and does this say Amarizzi, whatever that says. Okay, and then you're going to blend it in with the big fan brush. Get some lipstick, put it on your lips. Get some little eyeshadow, and then get a tiny brush so you can put it over your lip and use it like an eyeliner. And then, yeah, do that. And then you're gonna get some lip gloss, and then some and then you're gonna blow on it. Looks like a light. And now you got the best makeup in the world's history. Bye!
Honestly, I'm shook. I didn't think I can get this cute. Who do we think we are? Who is she? Can I even get my own number? Hell no! Thank you guys for watching. This is unfortunately the end of the video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. We are really close to 500 subscribers, so if you want to be generous, please subscribe. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys!